Okay, you're on.
Okay then, I'm sorry. I can't go to your birthday party. Well, I will see you next day. That I come to my grandma's and grandpa's house if Sean doesn't say so. And happy birthday of the song. I'll see you next day. I'll totally see you next day.
Look at me and sing it.
And I have the day of Caden, happy birthday to you. Oh, happy birthday to you. Of the vocation of the happy birthday. I'll see you next week.
What do you say to him?
Happy birthday.
What about, do you love him?
Yeah.
Tell him you love him then.
I love you. I love you.
Now she's acting like a puppy. Look at me, Kira. What do you say?
Cheese.
Say goodbye to him.
Bye.
We love you, Caden. Happy birthday.
I love you too. I go with my feet.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye. I need to say something to Caden.
Okay.
Hey Caden, did you know that
Look at the camera when you're
this
talking.
is a chart to check what day is Christmas and this is the day today. That's all I wanted to say.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.